Welcome to this guided meditation, a transformative journey that aims to harmonize your inner world with the cosmic symphony, nurturing the radiance within. Find a comfortable and peaceful space where you can immerse yourself in this experience. Begin by sitting or lying down in a relaxed position, allowing your body to feel supported and at ease. Close your eyes gently and take a few deep, cleansing breaths. Inhale deeply through your nose. Hold the breath for a moment and then exhale fully, releasing any tension or worries. Feel the weight of your body on the surface beneath you. Let go of any thoughts or distractions, allowing yourself to be fully present in this moment. Sense the stillness around you, inviting a sense of peace and calm into your being. Imagine that you are standing at the base of a magnificent crystalline mountain, a symbol of strength, stability, and wisdom. Picture the mountain in vivid detail, its color, texture, and radiance. Observe the sun hovering just above the peak, infusing the entire mountain with a golden light, charging it with positive energy. As you gaze at this incredible sight, notice a smooth, carved pathway resembling a slide leading to the top of the mountain. You can hover effortlessly above this path, feeling weightless and free. Allow yourself to hover in a way that feels comfortable to you, whether lying down, sitting, or standing. Feel the magnetic energy gently pulling you upwards, smoothly gliding along the path. Let the energy guide you through tunnels and openings within the crystal mountain, revealing mesmerizing colors and lights. Experience the sensation of being surrounded by this magical healing energy as you ascend higher. Reaching the peak of the mountain, find a smooth spot to sit and rest, absorbing the revitalizing energy of the crystal. Inhale deeply, feeling the energy rise from your root. As you exhale, feel the energy of the sun descending through the crown. With each breath, welcome the harmonious merging of the mountain's energy rising from below and the sun's energy descending from above. Sense the balance and unity within yourself as you breathe in the powerful grounding energy of the mountain and the revitalizing energy of the sun. Let this harmonization continue as you breathe, feeling a sense of radiance and inner peace enveloping you. You are now in perfect alignment with the cosmic symphony, resonating with the universe's soothing and nurturing energies. Slowly begin to integrate this experience back into your reality, knowing that you can carry this harmonized energy with you throughout your day. Take 3 deep breaths, grounding yourself in the present moment, and gently open your eyes when you're ready. Thank you for embarking on this guided meditation journey to harmonize the cosmic symphony and nurture the radiance within. May you carry this newfound harmony and peace with you, sharing it with the world around you.